One, two, three, allons-y French.
Good morning and welcome to our channel. Today we'll cover the topics of greetings and introductions.
Bonjour et bienvenue à notre chaîne. Aujourd'hui, on couvrira le topic de la salutation et de l'introduction.
Yes, and then after that, we'll put a small role play together so that you guys can see everything in action. Okay, so let's start. Good morning.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Okay, so he's saying it two different ways, like the normal way, and then he will say it slowly so that we can focus and pay attention to exactly, what he's saying. Okay, so
D'où venez-vous?
where are you from? Okay, slowly. D'où venez-vous? I am from Benin.
Ravi de vous rencontrer. Enchanté.
But we missed the one part. I am from Benin. Je suis du Bénin. I am is je suis in French. Du, make from, and then Benin, Benin. And then the other part you just said was
Ravi de vous rencontrer. Ou you can also say enchanté.
translate to nice to meet you in English. How old are you?
Quel âge avez-vous? Or, quel âge as-tu?
Yes, as the way you just heard, he had the vous and then he had tu, which are two different ways. If it's a formal or a personal way, like the formal way is the vous pronoun, like you want to use for it's a sign of respect, like elders, people that you don't know. The tu pronoun is like more personal, friend, family member, like you're just someone your same age or less. Je vais bien, merci.
I am well, thank you. Or, I am doing well, thank you.
D'où venez? Oh, I think we already covered that. Où allez-vous?
Where are you going?
Où translate to where in English. So it's the location where. I am going to the market.
Je vais au marché.
Nice to meet you.
Enchanté or ravi de vous rencontrer.
Oh, I think we covered that earlier.
We did cover it.
Bonus.
Yeah.
Au revoir.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so after this, we'll put a small skit role play together. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment ça va?
Ça va bien, merci. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Thierry et vous?
Je m'appelle Roselyne.
Oh, ravi de vous rencontrer.
Ravi de vous rencontrer. Quel âge avez-vous?
J'ai 20 ans.
Oh, moi j'ai 30 ans. D'où venez-vous?
Je viens du Bénin. Et vous?
Je viens du Bénin.
Oh,
Où habitez-vous?
j'habite aux États-Unis.
Oh, moi aussi. Où allez-vous aujourd'hui?
Ouais, je vais au marché.
Au marché. Mais il fait froid au dehors.
Il fait vraiment frais.
Ok, ravi de vous rencontrer.
Ravi de vous rencontrer.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. À bientôt.
À bientôt.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short clip that we just showed you. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we get to see you again next time for our next video. Hope you enjoyed it.
And we have to remind them, please leave us comments, guys. We enjoy you guys' comments. If you want us to do something, you want to hear something more, like take something out, leave us comments. Hopefully good ones. And please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I think it's here, but wherever it is. So, and the name of our channel is 1, 2, 3, Allons-y French.
Voila. Bye bye.